Hey! Today, we're diving into the world of automotive customization with the RGB Halo Kit HEMI Multicolor LED Emblem. These high-intensity LEDs bring a whole new level of vibrancy to your vehicle's emblem, like giving your car its own light show. And guess what? Easy installation with the direct swap design. But what really sets this kit apart is the hybrid controller feature, with both Bluetooth control and a wireless handheld remote. Customize colors and patterns with precision, your car's emblem, controlled right at your fingertips. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about the Flow Series / color chasing option. Over 120 different sequential light patterns and color combination modes take your customization options to infinity and beyond. Not just about aesthetics. This kit is 100% waterproof, rust-proof, and water-resistant. Engineered and tested for quality, it's a reliable upgrade for any weather conditions. So, whether you drive a Dodge or a Chrysler, turn heads on the road, showcase your unique style with the HEMI Multicolor Illuminated LED Emblem Logo RGB Halo Kit. Upgrade your ride, let your personality shine through. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.